Hey there, fellow foodies and savvy shoppers. If you're a Chase Sapphire cardholder, you're in for a treat with the DashPass benefit. Today, we're diving into how to make the most of your Chase Sapphire Card's DashPass perk, which gives you free deliveries and exclusive discounts on DoorDash. Let's get started. First off, what's DashPass? It's DoorDash's subscription service that normally costs around $9.99 a month, but as a Chase Sapphire Preferred, Reserve, or other eligible cardholder, you get it for free for a certain period or even ongoing, depending on your card. This means no delivery fees on orders over $12 from thousands of restaurants. Step 1. Check if you're eligible. Log into your Chase account online or via the app. Look under the Benefits or Rewards section for DashPass. If it's there, great. If not, make sure your card is activated and you're in good standing. Next, activate it. Once you find the benefit, there should be a button to activate DashPass. This might involve linking your DoorDash account. If you don't have a DoorDash account, download the app and sign up. It's quick and easy. Now, for the fun part, using it. Open the DoorDash app, add items to your cart from your favorite spot, and head to checkout. Make sure your Chase Sapphire card is set as your payment method, and DashPass should automatically apply, waiving those delivery fees. Pro tip: always check for any promo codes or additional offers to stack those savings. One more thing. Remember, this benefit might have terms like a minimum order value or exclusions for certain restaurants, so glance at the details in your Chase app. And if you're traveling, DashPass works in the US and Canada, making it perfect for on-the-go meals. There you have it. Using your Chase Sapphire DashPass is straightforward and can save you serious cash on deliveries. If you haven't tried it yet, go ahead and activate it today. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on maximizing your credit card perks. See you next time.